Are you keep getting the error code, the 402 on Barclays, and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly, you're going to close your Barclays app, and instead you're going to open up your settings app instead. So go into your settings app, and now you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. And now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general in here, and as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to scroll down a little bit more in here, and then you're going to select where it says storage. So click on storage, and then you're going to now scroll down in here and find the Barclays app. So I'm just going to keep scrolling down in here. I think it's actually way down here if I remember correctly. So I'm just going to keep scrolling. Oh, here it is, as you can see. So click on the Barclays app in here, then click on upload app, and then once again click on upload app in here. Then we're going to click on the blue button here once again. So now as you can see, it says loading, and it will be quite quick in general. So you're going to wait for your Barclays app to completely update to the newest version. So this actually fixed it for me, and it doesn't really matter, I think, if you have the Barclays US or the Barclays UK app. Just so you know, just do the exact same thing, then go back into the app, and I hope that this has now fixed this problem for you as well.